should calm down.
Good morning! Ayan, it's already spring season. Started last Monday. How did I know? Kay parang Google. So, it's a transition from spring, it's a transition from winter to spring. Still cold, pero not so much na. For me, it's manageable na siya.
Beg you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down?
Morning! So today, ano ba agenda ko today? Today, maglilinis lang ng room. I think I would do cleaning ng shoes. So dumating na yung in-order ko from... Actually, lumibot ako sa Square One. Lumibot ako sa Square One to look for this. Pero, ang available nila yung, as in, malaking kit. And yun yung kompletong kit. Kaya, I just look for a smaller one. So, this will be the cleaner that I'm gonna use for today's cleaning.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
I got what I needed. Yeah, this one, the brush. Ang cute niya, liit lang. Thumb size. And then, the deep cleaning solution. And microfiber towel.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy.
So, I'm done. After 3.5 hours, tapos din ako maglinis. 9 pairs of shoes for 3.5 hours. And nakakapagod. Hindi pala talaga siya biro maglinis. Parang after kong linisin, ayoko na siyang gamitin. Yeah. Then, I think, have a little bit of rest and fix the room. And I remember meron pala akong isang assignment to submit for today and haven't done anything yet. So, yun muna. Linis, ligo, and assignment bukas. Pero I'm very happy dun sa result. Kasi, see, for this one. There you go. Diba? Ito is una hindi ko na masyadong makuskus. I mean, ito. Hindi ko na makuskus. Pero, see? It's really clean now. Overall, it's looking nice now. Yeah. Pantay yung pagkakalinis ko. Diba? I'm so happy. See? Oh, I'm really happy. Especially this one. Ito naman kasi bihira ko lang gamitin, but ewan ko bakit dumumi. Ayan.
My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bone, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind.
Good morning! So today is Sunday, and as for the weather right now is 10 degrees. It feels like 9 degrees. So it's really a good weather, a sunny day. Kaya baka lumabas ako later. Depende if matapos ko yung my assignment. That includes MS project training. Kaya let's see if I am able to finish on time. Then if yes, I'm gonna go now. If not, then I'll just stay here at home.
Right now, but I will make you forget all your sorrow.